Il est minuit, la température est tombée à moins 15 degrés et nous allons partir sur la piste d'un sanglier turc en compagnie de Philippe Jäger, Pro Hunter Leica. En Turquie, les grands mâles sont prélevés majoritairement la nuit. Le printemps est la saison idéale pour ce mode de chasse, mais puisque nous sommes ici, autant profiter de l'occasion, malgré la neige et le froid, qui rendent notre progression très bruyante et alertent les sangliers.
This is Weilbach. That way. They were working that way. And they wanted to go up.
À l'aide de nos appareils thermiques et de vision nocturne, nous allons repérer les sangliers et suivre les consignes de notre guide turc afin de sélectionner l'animal à prélever au cœur de cette nuit glaciale. Voilà 2 heures que nous marchons et le temps passe à une vitesse folle, mais pour l'instant, pas de grand mâle en vue. C'est vraiment compliqué ce soir. Dès que le sanglier était repéré, nous avons tenté d'approcher au plus près et de nous mettre en position de tir. Tout s'est passé en quelques secondes, car il fallait faire très vite, l'animal suspectant notre présence.
Well, that was an adventure, my friend. Huh? It's 2 o'clock in the morning. We began the stalk at 9 o'clock. And wow, man, it's minus 15, and we tried different places since we began to stalk. Sometimes we took the car, and sometimes we were walking. And now we just decided that 1 hour ago to give a last try and a last chance before we went back to the hotel. And suddenly we saw that group of 6 boars. There is a hill somewhere here, you can't see it for sure, it's dark, and we had the wind was perfect, the light of the moon was in the back, and the only problem was to work with the ice on the way, which was quite noisy. And finally we got that boar, and I'm quite happy because we spent a lot of time the 3 last days for that, and it was our last chance because tomorrow we fly back. So it's really great experience. I'm completely frozen, but it's excellent. I'm very happy. That's Wild Boar Unlimited as its best.
Il était 2 heures du matin passé, et après avoir chargé cette laie, nous sommes rentrés nous coucher, car le lendemain, notre dernier jour de battue en Turquie nous attendait. Deuxième jour de battue en Turquie. Chaque moment et chaque lieu sont parfaits pour déguster un thé servi dans des verres ottomans en forme de tulipe, de couleur rouge comme le drapeau national. Avant la chasse, nous partageons des sentiments, des expériences et des impressions permettant de s'imprégner de la culture du pays.
This is just one of the most amazing things. We are here in the middle of nowhere in Turkey. It seems that we are very close to a village, hunting the wild boars, and suddenly they start to pray. So we're just sitting here, listening the sound of the mezquite, praying and calling the people to pray. Just amazing. You can never find something like this anywhere else.
We went here last night at until 3 o'clock, and we saw fresh tracks of wild boars, but we could not manage to get them last night, so we slept 3 hours. We came back this morning for the Julian hunt on the same place because they think they are still there. Apparently they just threw some fresh tracks, but now unfortunately we lost 1 hour being blocked by the snow because we had to drive over a mountain.
Can you see the footprints here? Big footprints from a big wild boar, I think. These ones in this direction. Crazy.
Lorsque les chasseurs arrivent sur le territoire, ils se répartissent silencieusement sur différents postes.
We go upstairs to the open field, or we go down on the hill, because we know that the wild boars running through the trees. I don't know what is the best plan. we can't shoot. The wild boars must running through us, in the middle of us. I think it's better we look for more space for looking and shooting. What do you think?
La zone de chasse couvre une centaine de milliers d'hectares enneigés, où se cachent les grands kaïlers turcs, un sacré défi.
So we'll see. We just had a brief discussion about what's the best stand. We are currently in a very, very thick bush area, and I think that this is the best spot. We will see a lot of pigs today, and we saw huge Kyla tracks this size. Unbelievable. So they are definitely here. We already saw two as we were approaching our stands. It will be a very, very nice day.
Aşağı gittin ama girme. Girmeyin. Oraya bir aşağı. Yerimizi dağılalım şöyle. Yok girmeyin. Hiç belli olmaz. Mezarlıkta bekliyoruz o zaman. Tabii. Sen bize
Tandis que les chasseurs rejoignaient leur poste, les traqueurs turcs restés loin en retrait élaboraient la meilleure stratégie d'attaque avant de passer les fourrés au peigne fin avec leurs chiens et leurs fusils. Une fois la traque lancée, les rabatteurs faisaient un maximum de bruit, aidés en cela par des trompes et des fusils avec lesquels ils tiraient en l'air pour forcer les sangliers vers les postés qui attendaient.
Murat, çantayı al. Samet, ayakların konuşma. Ateşle! Hayır! Haydi! Kameraya bakmıyor. Haydi oğlum! Aha!
La neige complique la tâche des traqueurs dans ces montagnes, mais malgré ce handicap, ces hommes extraordinaires ne s'arrêteront pas avant d'avoir trouvé les sangliers et de les avoir poussés vers les postés.
This is a very magnificent place. We are up on the mountain and there's a valley going down there. The sun is shining. It's a bit cold. It's an absolutely fantastic weather. It's nothing extreme. This is good. -3. It's quiet. You can just sit here and enjoy the view, and you can say that hunting has been good. We already saw one wild boar, but the shot was very long, so I didn't take it. Well, the drive will start very soon, so we'll see what's happened.
Le travail finit par payer et nous observons une belle compagnie qui cherche à échapper à ses poursuivants.
Oh yeah! Woo!
We had a group of wild boar. I shot the second one, and then the smaller came. Two are down, and one with the blood track went up. So there's a blood track. There are some bones on the road, so it shouldn't be far. We had a perfect morning. Hunting is not just about killing. It's about managing the population and being sustainable, because if we shoot everything today, we won't have anything to shoot tomorrow. So we have to think about what we do in the future. And for me, it is very important to make the right shot at the right animal. And that's why today, when a group of wild boar were coming, I was not shooting at the first one. I let the leader of the group, the leading female of the wild boars, go and started to shoot at the second one and then all the others, because the leader of the group will hold the group together. It will not spread, and it will take care of the small piglets if any other female of the group is gone or is dead. So it is very important, and always I keep to this rule that whenever the group of wild boar or even red deer come, I never shoot the first one.
Stephen se prépare et sort ses balles RWS en 300 Winchester Magnum avant de les charger dans sa carabine Merkel Helix, car il a repéré de nombreuses traces en arrivant à son poste.
When you scan the area and you're in wild boar territory, always look for their stepping path. Wild boar really tend to always walk the same ways. I have no idea why they do that, but that's just the way it is. So we found a very, very good path right there. So I expect at least one boar coming from this side as soon as the drive starts. The drivers will push from this side, and we're here and we're ready. Recep, our guide, he just got from the radio that they have a wounded boar down there. This is maybe the one I shot at. So what we will do now is we go down and take a look and see if we can get the wounded boar.
La traque s'achève, et vu la chance que nous avons eue avec cette compagnie de sangliers, il va falloir vérifier les tirs. Marcher dans ces montagnes n'est pas une mince affaire et peut très vite s'avérer dangereux avec ce sol glissant. Nous progressons donc doucement, avec précaution, mais détermination. Mais subitement, Stephen repère un grand mâle à 170 mètres devant nous. Il faut profiter de cette aubaine et très vite se mettre en position de tir afin de placer une balle parfaite, mortelle, sur cet énorme sanglier turc qui pourrait bien être le deuxième grand trophée pour le jeune chasseur allemand. Dans ces moments, les nerfs et le stress sont mis à rude épreuve, mais il cède vite à l'attention et la concentration, car il n'y a ici aucune place pour l'erreur.
This is Wild Boar Unlimited. So what
Kommt runter.
Oh, siehst du ihn fallen? You see him falling?
Kommt runter. Mach mal Kamera. Und nicht mehr.
Very good.
Jetzt kommt nochmal raus. Einer. Hier laufen. Diese, weißt du, hier steht, wir laufen, dann der ist abhauen. Ja. Irgendwo hier raus.
Après cette poussée d'adrénaline, les rabatteurs turcs ont déployé de gros efforts pour récupérer les sangliers chassés. Ces grandes montagnes recouvertes de buissons sont vraiment un superbe territoire de chasse. Cette beauté sauvage ne fait que motiver un peu plus notre envie dans cette expédition Wild Boar Unlimited Tour, Une nouvelle expérience en Turquie où les paysages sont un rêve pour les sangliers, ce qui explique les très fortes densités de cette région.
So here is my second Kyla in Turkey, the Wild Boar Unlimited Tour 2020. I'm so happy. I almost lost confidence, but when I woke up today, I knew I had it. I knew this will be a good day and that we will get some great footage. And we were standing on the other side of the mountain, and this was the first Kyla I shot at. Took 2 bullets. The RWS bullet did an amazing job. We will show you the amount of power the Evolution bullet is actually capable of putting into an animal like this. Absolutely amazing experience when you see those big Kylas walking across those hills here. They are climbing, unbelievable. Like Ibex, I said it before, it's unbelievable. It's so steep, and what they do is they walk, and you have to be patient. Don't shoot at them when they're walking, because like every, I don't know, probably every 50 meters they stop and orientate anew. And that's when you that's when you can take a really good shot. And that's what we did. I'm very happy.
Après avoir récupéré ce superbe trophée, nous avons rejoint les autres chasseurs et vérifié l'effet que font ces sangliers énormes pour constater que tous les chasseurs étaient réellement fiers d'être ici. La Turquie est clairement l'une des meilleures destinations de chasse au monde. Un voyage de chasse inoubliable où 7 chasseurs qui ne se connaissaient pas ont pratiqué leur passion commune et établi une amitié qu'ils n'oublieront jamais. Nous avons partagé quelques-unes des superbes images tournées en leur compagnie et qui mettent à l'honneur la bonne ambiance régnant tout au long de ce tournage, qui sera, à n'en pas douter, le premier d'une longue série. Bien entendu, nous n'oublions pas nos partenaires locaux, les Turcs, des personnes uniques et remarquables qui nous ont ouvert leur cœur. À ce stade, nous souhaitons faire une parenthèse et souligner l'énorme travail réalisé par les équipes locales qui préparaient le feu et d'excellents déjeuners, peu importe l'endroit où nous étions. Ces gens nous ont vraiment accueillis très chaleureusement et nous nous sentions privilégiés. L'esprit Wild Boar Unlimited ne concerne pas uniquement la chasse, mais également le vivre ensemble, la culture du pays, l'aventure, l'amitié, la camaraderie, et surtout notre envie d'informer et de divertir tous les passionnés des grands sangliers turcs. Ces animaux sont si uniques qu'ils génèrent énormément d'émotions pour celles et ceux qui, comme nous, apprécient la battue du sanglier.
One of the most exciting things about the Wild Boar Unlimited is that we will have the chance to hunt in many places all around the world. At least that is our objective. And how important is that for the filming or for the hunting experience? From my point of view, I think that hunting is a whole package experience. It's not only the shooting, but over anything else, it's just to share fantastic hunting days with people that you have never met. It doesn't matter where they're from, the color of the skin, the religion they belong to. To me, hunting is what you do in the field together with the people that surround you. I mean, it is true that we shot fairly enough wild boars during this trip, but to me, when I get home back and I start to think about this trip, what it gets into my heart, it will be the experience that I had, the days that I shared with the people. All the hunters that were coming with me to this trip, they were from different parts of the world, and it was a great experience to share with them these hunting days. I mean, we will try to keep on going with our Wild Boar Unlimited program. It's a great pleasure to be here, and I hope that we can have the chance in the future to move to other countries to discover all those kind of things that make us a great hunter. So hope to meet you soon behind and in front of the camera, my friends. Thank you for staying there.